This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is January 9th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go look at a job. It's got standing water in the basement. Said it smells like sewage, so if it's a backed up sewer line, you're gonna need to call a drain guy, because I don't do main drains. I don't like doing them. I don't have the equipment. I don't want the equipment. I don't want to do them. I'll do a lateral or something like that, but the main drains are just nasty. And I don't have room in my truck for the equipment. I don't want to do it. So I usually refer someone else that does just some drains to that. So I told her to call him. She wants me to go by and make sure that's what it is. Because it's kind of like in a small commercial building. It might be a leaking pipe or something like that. So it might be a shitty situation over there. Oh yeah, next level, next level. It might be a smelly situation over there, Miss Molly. It might be a smelly situation. Shitty situation. Oh, I know it, I know it. I know it. Yeah. It's a grease trap, I bet. It's up here on the shelf. It's all wet. Looks like it's that grease trap that's bad. Flippin' nasty. She's a nasty one, Mr. Grinch. Oh yeah, the top of the grease trap's all wet. I gotta get a beam holding that up. Yeah, that's what it is, the flippin' grease trap. Nasty. I know a guy that's got a sewage business, got a pump. He can pump it right out. That's what it is. She's a nasty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, the piping all looks good. I mean, it's just the grease trap's backing up. Like I said, I know a guy that's got a he's got a drain business, and behind his truck he's got a big tank that's got a vacuum hose to suck that slime right out of there. There's the grease trap. That's a grease trap right there. It's backed up. It's all full of grease. I'll have to call the lady and tell her. Give that guy a call. He's got that drain business, and he'll take care of it. This line is probably fine. It runs all the way along and out. And they use a 3-bay sink upstairs when they're having a problem with it overflowing. Things probably not tight. It runs all the way along here. It drops down here, a couple of 45s. It goes out right here. I don't think the main drain's backed up. I think it's just that grease trap. I just called the lady. I gave her the guy's information. She's gonna call him, and maybe he can. I think he can pull his truck up. Maybe come right in this window with his hose. Right over there. I mean, he's got a long hose, and he could just suck that grease right out of there. Because it's nasty. It's a nasty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a nasty one, Mr. Grinch. Oh, yeah, it's a nasty one. She's a smelly one. Oh, yeah, she was. 2 kilo. 2 kilo. 2 kilo. Taco Bell. 2 kilo Taco Bell. Anyway, guys, I don't deal with grease traps. I mean, it's just a nasty, nasty job. Main drain, same thing. I'll do laterals on sinks and, kitchen sink or a bathroom sink, something like that. That's about the extent I want to do drain cleaning with. There's other guys that do just drain cleaning, and guys that specialize in cleaning out those grease traps. They're set up for it. So I just refer guys that are set up for it more so than me. I go in there with buckets and scoop that stuff out with the buckets. I mean, just a nasty job. I'm not into it. The guy I referred's got a big tank in behind his truck, and he's got a pump, and he's got a, you know, like a 4-inch hose that he brings right inside and just, you know, pulls the stuff right out of there, pulls it right into that tank.